Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your Bybit wallet address. So if you want to deposit any crypto in your Bybit or any USDT, you just need to tap on this deposit icon, and then you just need to tap on deposit crypto. And for example, if you want to deposit BTC here, you can just search for BTC or Bitcoin, and here you'll find BTC, which is also Bitcoin, and you have to first choose your network. So BTC's chain is BTC. So if you want to use if you want to deposit a crypto, make sure you have choose the exact same network when you are using the other exchange or other wallet to deposit in this Bybit account. So here is just BTC. And here, as you can see, this is the wallet address of BTC. So you just need to copy it and paste wherever you want to paste it and send the crypto in your Bybit account. Also, you can share your QR code or get the QR code from here to deposit a crypto in your Bybit wallet. So this is how you can find the Bybit wallet address for any crypto that you want to use. Make sure to use the same network and same address while you are sending the crypto in your Bybit account. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.